Big data examples, industries examples, healthcare, for example, predicting disease outbreak and personalizing treatment. We saw this one utilized during the corona pandemic. Retail, analyzing customer behavior to recommend product and optimize inventory. Finance, detecting fraudulent transactions and managing risks. Transportation, improving route planning and managing traffic flows, especially in peak hours versus slow time. Practical examples, recommendations, for example, done by Netflix, suggesting shows based on your viewing history. If you like police movies, you most likely gonna receive a lot of ads about the same category. Smartphones, apps using location data to provide real-time traffic update, like Google Map. E-commerce, Amazon analyzing purchases history to recommend product. Also, social media ads, platform showing targeted ad based on your interest. After you go through a few, for example, holiday website, you will be surprised that on your own Facebook or LinkedIn, you will receive a lot in the next few days. You will be receiving a lot of ad regarding the same thing.